Hi all, Darren from DA Components. Yesterday I talked about the quick release connections and the accessory for your brush range or your application. So I'm just going to do a video now to talk about the actual Sill brush. This is the elite version of the Sill brush. As you can see, it's absolutely fantastic. Doesn't that look absolutely brilliant? You've got plenty of bristles there to give the actual application that you're doing a really good scrub. And what you will find is on the bottom row of this Sill brush here, these bristles are a lot harder, so it just cleans the sill. And at the edge of here, they're actually 60mm wide as well. Just get out the sun. 60mm wide there, then it drops down to actually 50mm. And then the internals here, bristles are 40mm. This is a semi-synthetic bristle brush, and what you will find is that there's actually little V-jets in there for the guys who've never seen it before. It's like a slit. It's not a fan jet, it's just a slit. And what that does, give you two V-jets there and two V-jets there. So when you're cleaning the actual frame, it actually hits the frame as you're cleaning it. It saves you lifting off and moving about. And then with the 12mm hole there, you can see, you can actually add pencil jets. You can actually add the V-jets the same. Then you can have 2, 4, 6, 8 on there if you really wanted to. And we do have another jet with a 4-way jet. So you can have 4 and 4 is 8. If you really wanted to, you can even have, look, what I used to do is have a 4-way jet in there. So you'd have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then what you would have to do is change this little connector here to a 4-way connection. So then you will have 12 jets on that 10-inch brush. And in my honest opinion, that would give that like an internal rinse bar version of that. If you still do like rinse bars, on the brushes, you will find that there's a little temptation where the screw holes are here. You can actually screw the edge range rinse bar on there as well. And you'll also have about 5mm clearance, so you can adjust it up and down. So that's the Sill brush, the semi-synthetic version. Just going to clip it off and show you the Dupoint version. So quick release connection again, 2 secs. And then this time we're just going to actually clip it on the accessory. And I'll lock it off. What you'll find here this time, what I've actually done, the elite version was clipped on the adapter here, but now I've clipped it on the accessory. So now it gives you a longer gooseneck, a bit like I said in the last video. So this is the Dupoint brush, exactly the same, but this is genuine Dupoint bristles. It's a dual trim brush, 60mm outside, and then it drops down to 50, then it drops down to 40. Exactly the same, because a lot of guys like the Dupoint genuine bristles. So yeah, that's exactly the same as the elite version, but a genuine Dupoint bristles. And you can still have the different jet ranges in whatever you want. You don't even have to have the quick release connection, because we do the version where it's a swivel socket angle, so it just connects to your angle, which is all these angles here. These T3 are all generic, so you can still have whatever you would like. And I'm just going to click on the last brush in the range, which is the Sill brush, which is the Heritage. I'm just going to clip this on. That's clipped in. I'm just going to lock it off. So this is the Heritage version. So for delicate surfaces, mainly for that leaded windows that we come across it over time from time. And then you still have your little bit of a hard bristles down here for cleaning the windowsill. And yeah, next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to unclip it off, and I'm going to put the 14-inch Sill brush so you can see that as well. In fact, I'll leave that on. I'll just clip it on the adapter here. So this is the elite version of the Sill brush, which is the 14 inches. Anyway, yeah, it's the 350cm one, and it's exactly the same but longer. But this case here, what you will find is, just turn it round, you'll have 2, 4, 6, 8. You'll automatically get 8 V-jets in that 14-inch brush. Yeah. So you will find that there's 4 holes to put extra added jets in now. So in theory, again, I will say, guys, you can have, if you have the 4-way jet with the 4 holes in, you can have 4 and 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 jets you can actually have on a 14-inch brush. Now that to me is an internal rinse bar again. And then you still get the option if you really wanted the over rinse bar, because all the holes are here ready for you to screw your rinse bars to it. So that we do have the 14-inch brushes. They're not currently on the website, but yeah, there's no reason why you can't just message me and see what we come up with. Excellent. Thanks a lot, Darren from DA Components.